In this video, we're going to show you how to replace a fuel tank filler neck on your Ram 1500. This is going to be located behind the fuel door. Let's get started. Using an 8mm socket, remove the 5 screws. We have one more in the back of the fender liner. Pull the fender liner out of the wheel well. And we just need to pull it back far enough that we gain access to the back of our filler neck. Push up on the blue lock. On the bottom, we're going to push on this white button. And as we do that, we're going to push back on our line. Push on that bottom white tab and push this back. When we push on the white tab, it pushes these 2 fingers out inside of the clip. Using a 7mm socket, we're going to loosen the clamp for the filler neck. Remove the filler neck hose from the filler pipe. Using a 10mm socket, remove the nut for the ground strap. Remove the ground strap from the stud. Pop off the clip for the vent hose. Now looking up inside of the fender towards our fuel cap, we're going to remove the zip tie for our vent. Cut the zip tie and pull the vent down out of the way. Remove the gas cap, twist it and remove it. Using a T25 bit, remove the 3 bolts. With the 3 screws removed, pull the filler neck out of the wheel well. Remove the filler neck out of the bottom of the vehicle. We're going to remove the 4 rivets from our filler neck trim. 1, 2, 3, 4. Using a drill with a drill bit, go right down through the center and take the top off. If your rivet starts spinning, use a pair of pliers on the back side. And remove the rivet. Repeat this process for the next 3. With all of the rivets removed, go ahead and remove that trim piece. And we're going to install it onto our new filler neck. You're going to need rivets and a rivet gun. Install the rivet through the trim into the filler neck and install the rivet. Repeat this process for the other 3. Install a zip tie onto the filler neck. This will go around our vent box. Install the filler neck up into the vehicle. Get the screws started. And snug them down. You should have one more right here. Ours is broken. Install the vent and get the zip tie around it. Using a pair of cutters, I'm going to cut off the tail. Install the vent hose clip into the filler neck. Install the filler neck hose onto the filler neck. Be sure it's fully seated, and then pull that clamp over. Snug down the clamp. Make sure it's nice and snug. Install the line. Pull until you hear a click. If you don't hear a click, give it a push. Be sure that the line can't come off, and then close that blue lock. Install the ground strap onto the post, and install that other ground. Get the nut started, and snug it down. Push the fender liner back into place. Install the bolt in the back of the fender liner. Now go around the outside and install all of the bolts. Install the fuel cap, close the door, and you're good to go.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.